This is an introduction video explaining how and why we will be using inquiry journals in our research unit. You may be asking yourself, what is an inquiry journal? If you think of your project as a building, think of the tools you need to help you build. The journal is one of your tools. Some other tools might be your resources, the information. You're also going to want books, you're going to have lots of questions, and you're going to have lots of ideas. And all of those get recorded in your journal. So how do you use your journal? Your journal is where you will record all of your thoughts and ideas. It's where you'll write your answers to writing prompts given to you by your teacher or your librarian. You'll use it to keep track of all the resources you found, all the places you've discovered information. Even if you don't use the information now, you may want to find it later. It's also where you're going to make sure that you have all the citations for the sources you found, so you can make sure that you correctly cite your sources in your end research project. Sometimes your journal entry may look like doodles as you're sorting out your ideas. It may be a chart or a mind map or a combination of all of them. It can be sticky notes with websites on them, so you can find those websites later. Your journal will be unique to you because we all think and learn differently. Depending on the project, your journal entries may include a group Google Doc, or you may choose to animate your answers in Scratch or another program that you found. Just remember, if you do your work online, it needs to be shareable with your teacher or librarian. So why do we use journals? Your research or inquiry journal is how you keep all of your research in one place. When you start to actually write or construct your project, you'll have all of your information right there in your journal. The journal is also a way for your teacher or librarian to check in with you on your project. They can see if you're on the right track. They can also see if you're stuck and need a little bit of guidance working through a problem. If you've kept track of all of your research and questions, they can work with you and help get you unstuck and back on your way to your project. In the end, your journal is kind of like a multi-tool. It's the blueprint and the foundation of your project. And the end product is a research project that you can be proud of.